Hello all you beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. I know I completely abandoned everybody for a while, but I had to show you a couple things that we're working on here. So here we got the Skunk 2 headers. I didn't want Greta here being too loud. As you may know, I have the Ultra Sport quad tip exhaust on the back of this girl. Beautimous. But I wanted something unique sounding, so I went and scrolled through the life of Reddit and YouTube and all the other things and found that there's some people that have had headers modified to unequal length. So I actually got the Skunk 2 header for quite cheap, and I'm going to have a local guy actually machine. Well, he's going to chop off and add lengths to cylinders 1 and 4, about 30% more to give an unequal length. And then we're going to slap it on this bad boy and see what it sounds like. Also, for all you haters out there, these are the H&R lowering springs. I decided to go with those over the iBox because, you know, you can fit basically a full fist in here. But the one thing I want to show everybody, that's probably my absolute favorite mod so far. The ducktail thing, still not too fond of it, but easy install, good looking thing. But are you ready? Are you ready for the best thing you could ask for? Come in here with me. First of all, look at this wonderful Mazda speed shift knob. Doesn't quite match, but close to it. Here it is. The piece of resistance. Oh yeah. What more could you ask for? Then a cool little joystick lever to turn the car on and off. Alright everybody, well, if you want me to keep posting videos, I'll definitely break down mods and do things, but kind of got sidetracked with life, so the YouTube channel a bit dropped off. But if you're looking for this, I could post a link to it. If you're looking to see what the car sounds like once I get the header modified and installed, and if you're looking to wonder how comfortable the HR springs are on this car with the Bilsteins, drop a comment below. I appreciate all of you, and stay beautiful.